Naghahanap ka ba ng gaming phone that can perform on both camera and gaming? Introducing the IQOO Neo 9 Pro. Itong phone na ito is quite powerful. And actually, hindi quite powerful. Very powerful kasi this one has the MediaTek Dimensity 9300. Meron siyang 250MP na camera sa likod. Faux leather finish, sunbeda colors, 5,160 mAh of battery with 120 watts of fast charging. Best of all, meron siyang ultra gaming mode. All of this for a little above 25,000 pesos. Pag-usapan natin. Now, itong IQOO Neo 9 Pro na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage na pinaka-base variant is priced at around mga 26,900 pesos, which I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Now, makita natin ang kanyang design is almost exactly equal sa IQOO Neo 9, yung non-Pro variant. Yeah, makita natin ang kanyang sunbeda colors, red and white, and ang ganda ng styles kanya, ang ganda ng pagkatahi dito sa gitna, just like ni Neo 9. Eh, masarap ang hawak ko dito sa likod, and I love the way it is. Maganda ang grip ko dito, and what I like is color red din ang kanyang finish dito sa gilid. Itong phone na ito supports 5G here in the Philippines, and this one is a China ROM. Mabilis lang naman maglagay ng Google Play Store dito. All you need to do is just go to the Vivo App Store, type nyo ng Google Play Store, and update nyo lang. That's it. Meron ka ng working na Google Play Store. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito is kind of form factor. And I love the way na yung grip dito sa aking kamay. Kayang-kaya ko naman gumamit ng one-hand texting dito from coast to coast. And this one's being powered by the Origin OS 4, which is quite a smooth experience naman for me. Good thing dito is wala naman siya masyadong bloatwares. Kung meron man, delete nyo lang. Now, one of the best things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is definitely the processor. This one has the best na meron ni MediaTek. This one is a Dimensity 9300. And very powerful enough siya, was able to score, which is equivalent sa mga scores na nakukuha ko sa mga Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And if you break down the score, this is what you get. Pagdating naman sa Wildlife Extreme, 4,800 ang kanyang loop score and 72% ang kanyang stability. Ito ang score niya sa Geekbench sa CPU benchmarking, and ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. Hindi naman sobrang pangit ang kanyang thermals dito, though there's some few na red lines makita mo along the way, and this one throttled to 73% ng kanyang maximum performance, which malalaman natin later sa gaming. Now, itong phone na ito has a battery size of 5,160, and this one can support up to 120 watts na fast charging. What's good dito sa kanya is C2C ang kanyang cable. Unlike yung mga ibang brands like Xiaomi, they're still using A2C. Feeling ko mas efficient ang charging when you're using C2C cable kasi support naman ng charging brick. Now, charging this phone from 0 to 100 takes around mga 19 to 20 minutes to complete a full charging cycle, and makuha naman ang kanyang battery. It can last you for around mga 11 hours na screen on time based on my manual testing. Now, the phone na ito has a flat na display. It has a 6.78-inch LTPO na AMOLED display. Meron siya 144Hz na support and 1,400 nits na maximum brightness. And this one has a 90% na screen-to-body ratio, which means almost bezel-less ang kanyang mga borders. When you're watching mga shorts dito, mag-e-enjoy ka. Browse ka lang sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa YouTube Shorts, and probably sa Instagram. You'll definitely get a really nice experience dito sa kanya dahil sa ganda ng kanyang screen. And since this one has a level 1 na wide-band security level, you can watch all of your favorite HD dito sa phone na ito. And watching some films dito sa YouTube, I would say na really nice ang experience ko dito. Punching ka ng colors, the black is blacker, and nag-enjoy naman ng whole family watching together with me during the Holy Week. Now, since itong phone na ito has stereo speakers, isa dito sa ilalim, and yung the other one is nakatago dito sa speaker grills, check natin kung gaano kalakas. Ang kanyang loudspeaker is quite loud, and you'll definitely enjoy this one when you're listening to music or playing games. Now, speaking of playing games, nilaro ko dito tatlong title: Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Farlight 84. And here are the best graphical settings na kaya natin i-set. Sa Call of Duty Mobile, expect the gameplay is definitely smooth. Naglaro ko dito halos 1 hour. Naglaro ko ng rank matches and mga VR matches, and even some free-for-all na matches. The gameplay is really smooth. wala ka ma-feel na lags. The controls and the screen response is definitely fast. Pagdating naman sa Genshin Impact, I was expecting there might be some frame drops along the way. Pero to my surprise, dahil this one is si Dimensity 9300, it was able to perform up to its peak performance. And since sinagad ko ang kanang graphics, I was expecting na medyo init ang phone na ito. But it only reached around mga 46 degrees Celsius, ang pinakamainit na ito. Gameplay is definitely smooth. Pagdating naman sa Fahrenheit 84, sinagad-sagad ko rin ang kanyang graphics and winning several games dito. And to my surprise, medyo uminit siya. But it didn't affect yung gameplay ko. Smooth naman siya. And this one reached at around mga 49 degrees Celsius based sa aking Malsi na thermal scanner. But you can definitely cool it down faster using a good phone cooler. Napag-usapan natin dalawang camera module na dito sa likod. And what I like is looking good ang kanyang camera module dito. It's a very unique design on its own. This one is a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and the other one is a 50MP na ultra-wide lens with autofocus. The rear camera can shoot you up to 4K and 60 and ang kanyang front camera is a 16MP na main camera sensor with a video recording capability at 1080 and 30. Okay, other than this being a good gaming phone, it is also a very decent na camera phone. So, makita natin on some outdoor shot, you'll see some really nice details on subjects like this one, pati mga halaman like this one. Makita mo, pag zoom in mo, you really get some nice and really decent na pictures. Some photos like this are really sharp. Lalo sa outdoors, though, you'll really get some really green, pero hindi saturated na green na mga colors dito sa mga halaman na ito. Now, pagdating mo sa indoor, kahit medyo low light, you get some really nice shots like this one. Kahit medyo low light siya sa loob ng coffee shop, you really get some sharp details like this one. Nung nilapitan ko itong mga coffee beans na ito, okay naman, no? Not super duper sharp, but you get some really decent shot like this. Pag lumapit ka naman sa mga coffee beans like this one, pag zoom in mo, you get some nice details on this. More indoor shots and makita mo mga details so pag zoom in mo, very nice. Now, if kung hilig mo naman mga bokeh shot, this phone can give you some really nice bokeh pictures. Lalo na yung background and subject separation is really good. Now, kung ginamit mo naman ng ultra-wide lens, it looks like this. This is a normal shot and this is a 2x zoom shot. Makita mo naman, there's some details naman sa kanyang cloud. Probably not the best na makukuha mo. And what's nice dito sa kanya is quite consistent ang kanyang color sa kanyang sky. Na kung kumuha ka naman ng mga sunset shot, you really get some nice na dramatic pictures like this one and this one. Nung nag-night photography ako, itong camera ito was able to perform. And this is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom. Makita mo, the details are still really nice after 2x zoom. Some other night shot. Here's another angle. Now, if you're using yung kind of front-facing camera, you really get some decent shot from its front-facing shooter. But there are times kung medyo masilaw ang araw, it might overexpose naman yung mukha mo. Sa indoor shot, I don't see any problem with it. Some indoor shot na kahit medyo low light, I was able to take in some really nice ones. Now, using its front-facing camera, well, medyo shaky siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang garap pa lang ka ng shake. It was able to give me some really nice na video, but yung kanya shakiness is medyo nakakailo konti. Now, using its rear camera, this one is sharp. Kahit medyo inalog ko ng konti using my hands, it's still pretty stable. Na guys, with all of those good specs dito sa phone na ito for around mga 27,000 pesos, is this phone worth it? I would say definitely a yes. Kasi ang ganda ng kanyang performance, be it gaming and camera. This phone can give you a powerful experience if you're into hardcore gaming. And if you're into photography, itong phone na ito can definitely perform. Except yung video na sa harap is a little bit shaky. Overall, the performance is good, the aesthetics is good, and the camera is definitely okay. Kung gusto niyo bumili nito phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.